हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल द सेलिंग बेस्ट। चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। साथ ही में बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आने वाले सभी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएंगे एंड मुझे भी इंकरेजमेंट मिलता है आपके लिए नए नए इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस अपलोड करने के लिए। तो इस वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करूँगा रिफ्रेशर FPFF एंड AFF कंबाइंड टीचर शिपिंग एग्जिट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स सेट नंबर 12 एंड इस सेट को आप बेसिक कोर्सेज के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सो चलिए स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1 इज ईच स्प्रिंकलर हेड मस्ट बी कैपेबल ऑफ डिलीवरिंग वाटर एट अ रेट ऑफ डैश लीटर पर मीटर स्क्वायर पर मीटर minute. So answer is A 5. A low velocity fog applicator used in firefighting too. Answer is B cool and smoother the fire. Question number 3. Each sprinkler head is sufficient to cover the area of about dash meter square. So correct answer is E C 16. Question number 4. If the fire is detected by detector, it gives alarm and shows indication on. Answer is C bridge and fire control panel. Question number 5. In sprinkler system, one section is permitted to contain maximum under dash heads. So correct answer is D 200. Question number 6. You have carbon tetrachloride as a part of cargo. If fire breaks out in general area, what is the major danger from carbon tetrachloride? So correct answer is B. Phosgene gas may be formed if it comes in contact with hot metal. Question number 7. If the pressure at highest sprinkler head in the system is not less than dash bar, answer is B 4.8. Question number 8. Multiple fire pumps may be used for purposes provided that one pump is, answer is B, kept available for use on the firemen at all times. Question number 9. Sprinkler heads are spaced not more than dash meters apart and dash meters from vertical. So answer is 4 meters apart and 2 meters from vertical. Question number 10. How to make static charge of two paint drums equal? So answer is C. Keep the one drum onto the other drum. Question number 11. There must be at least dash power source for seawater pump, alarm system and freshwater pump. So answer is B 2. Question number 12. After puncturing the valuable cargo container, what type of extinguishing medium can be used? Answer is D CO2. Question number 13. Each sprinkler system consists of independent seawater pump with its own seawater suction. Answer is true. Question number 14. Fire hoses should always be stored near a fire main in a manner which will allow, answer B, the nozzle end to run to the fire. Nozzle end to be run out to the fire. Question number 15. Section alarm in sprinkler system can be tested individually by a test cock in each section. Answer is true. Question number 16. What is the most vulnerable part of fireman system? Correct answer is D, fire hose. Question number 17. The operating range of cordzoid bulb in sprinkler system is 68 degrees Celsius to 93 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is true. Question number 18. When two fire teams are attacking a fire, they should, answer is C, not attack the fire from opposite sides. Question number 19. Fire hydrant valves on crude oil tankers shall be isolated from crude oil washing system by, answer is A, spade blank. Question number 20. When is it required by a dry chemical fire extinguisher to be recharged? Answer is A, after each use. Question number 21. The high velocity fog tip used with all purpose firefighting nozzle should always be, answer is A, attached by chain. Question number 22. As a general rule of thumb, with no adverse condition, approximately how far could a straight stream of water reach from a fire hose having nozzle pressure 100 psi? So answer is B, 100 feet. Question number 23. A carbon dioxide extinguisher should be recharged. Answer is B, whenever it is 10% below the required weight. Question number 24. Which of the listed fire extinguisher cannot be easily recharged on board ship? Correct answer is B, CO2. Question number 25. You find that the pressure cartridge on DCP extinguisher is punctured. You should, answer is A, replace the pressure cartridge and weigh the chemical charge. Question number 26. When the pilot CO2 cylinder pressure is used to initiate the release of CO2 from a fixed fire extinguishing system containing 4 storage cylinders, what would be the minimum number of pilot cylinders required for this installation? Answer is 2. Question number 27. When water fog is used as an extinguishing agent, the fire is extinguished principally by the answer is B, absorption of heat. Question number 28. If your vessel is to carry portable foam fire extinguisher, you must maintain supply of at least answer is C, 5 spare charge. क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे, इफ़ योर वेसल इज़ टू कैरी पोर्टेबल फोम फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर, इट इज़ 10 पोर्टेबल फोम फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स, नॉट ओनली पोर्टेबल फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर, it is 10. Then question number 29. On vessels with fire control plan, all part of the fixed fire suppression systems are listed except instructions for activation of system. Question number 30. A fireman outfits carried on board a vessel must have a answer is C, self-contained breathing apparatus. Question number 31. Each fireman outfit and its spare equipment must be stored in an answer is C, separate and accessible location. Question number 32. One of the document which is part of emergency or contingency plan is answer is fire control plan. Question number 33. Fire alarm consists of answer is D, continuous ringing of the alarm bell. Question number 34. Fire teams are responsible for answer is A, firefighting. So thank you everyone for watching this video and बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द एग्ज़िट एग्ज़ामिनेशन. वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि बाकी लोगों को भी हेल्प हो जाए.